Imagine receiving a subpoena from the court. It says you are required to attend court and give evidence. Suddenly, a lot of questions start racing through your mind. Do I have to go? What if I say something wrong? Can I talk to the other witnesses about what happened? And what exactly happens when I walk into a courtroom? Giving evidence in court can feel intimidating, but once you understand the process, it becomes much less frightening. In today's video, we'll walk you through what you must do before attending court, how to behave and show proper court courtesy, how to answer questions effectively, and most importantly, why witnesses should not discuss their evidence with each other, because sometimes innocent conversations can lead to serious legal consequences. Many people assume they can simply decline if they do not want to testify. But in many situations, this is not true. There are a few ways a person becomes a witness. Sometimes a lawyer simply asks if you are willing to give evidence. In this case, attendance may be arranged cooperatively. The most common way witnesses are compelled to attend court is through a subpoena. A subpoena is a formal court order requiring you to attend court and give evidence. Once served with a subpoena, you are legally required to attend. Failing to attend may result in fines, arrest warrants, or contempt of court proceedings. There is another situation that many people do not realize exists. You may receive a notice of public examination. This commonly occurs in corporate insolvency investigations. For example, when a company goes into liquidation, administrators or liquidators may investigate what happened to the company's assets. If the court believes a person may have relevant information, such as company directors, accountants, employees, business partners, or even third parties who handle transactions, that person may be required to attend a public examination. Unlike ordinary court proceedings, public examinations are investigative in nature. They are designed to uncover facts rather than resolve a dispute between two parties. Failing to attend a public examination when ordered by the court can also lead to serious consequences. Witnesses are crucial because courts decide cases based on evidence, not speculation. Evidence may include documents, expert opinions, and oral testimony from witnesses. In many cases, the credibility of a witness can determine the outcome of the entire dispute. One of the biggest mistakes witnesses make is arriving at the court unprepared and nervous. Preparation is not about rehearsing a story. It is about understanding the process. If you previously provided a statement to lawyers, you should carefully review it. Make sure you understand what events you described, the timeline of those events, and the documents referred to. But you should never attempt to change your evidence simply because you think it sounds better. Your duty is to tell the truth, not to help one side win. It is perfectly acceptable to refresh your memory using notes, emails, diaries, and photographs. However, these materials may later be requested by the court. You should also prepare for practical issues, such as confirming the court location, arriving early, and dressing neatly and respectfully. Courts are formal environments, and impressions do matter. You should also understand the basic courtroom courtesy. Courts operate according to traditions developed over centuries. Understanding basic courtroom etiquette will help you feel more confident. When speaking to a judge, you should address them as Your Honor. You should stand when the judge enters the courtroom. You are giving evidence, or you are addressed by the judge. When answering questions, speak slowly, speak clearly, and wait until the question is finished. Court transcripts are recorded word for word, so clarity is very important. If you disagree with the question, you should still allow the lawyer to finish. If there is a problem, the judge will intervene. Many witnesses think the most important thing is to sound convincing. In reality, it is not your job to convince everyone to believe your story. The focus should be accuracy. Always listen to the entire question before answering. If you do not understand the question, it is perfectly acceptable to say, "I'm sorry, could you please repeat or clarify the question?" Answer only the question asked. Avoid giving long speeches. Provide a direct answer to the specific question. Lawyer may ask follow-up questions if needed. Witnesses sometimes feel pressure to give an answer even when unsure, but it is completely acceptable to say, "I do not recall." Guessing or pretending to remember sometimes can damage your credibility. Cross-examination can sometimes feel confrontational. But remember, the lawyer's job is to test your evidence. remain calm, and answer honestly. This is one of the most important rules in court, and also one of the most misunderstood. Witnesses should not discuss their evidence with other witnesses. If witnesses discuss their evidence with each other, courts may suspect collusion. Collusion occurs when witnesses align their stories to make them appear stronger. Each innocent conversations can create this impression. Courts want each witness's recollection to be independent. If witnesses influence each other's memories, the reliability of the evidence may be compromised. If witnesses agree to give false or misleading evidence, that may amount to perjury, which is a criminal offense. Perjury can carry severe penalties, including imprisonment. Courts sometimes rely on corroboration, where different witnesses independently confirm the same fact. But if witnesses have discussed their evidence beforehand, the corroboration may lose its value. Being called as a witness can feel intimidating, but the process becomes much clearer once you understand your role. Remember these key points. Prepare properly before attending court, follow courtroom etiquette, listen carefully and answer questions honestly, and never discuss your evidence with other witnesses. Because the court's goal is simple, to discover the truth, and witnesses play a crucial role in making that possible.